Today, I want to present you a very good opportunity in Istanbul, Turkey, European side, beside Metro Bus, nearby Florya district. Today's project has 220 apartments. Apartments are ranging between 2 bedroom and 3 bedrooms, family concept property. And in today's project, we have a good facilities that would serve the residents of the property. Plus, accessibility is very easy. You can reach to Metro Bus within 2 minutes walking only, less than 100 meter only. And it's served the area, it's served with the malls, with the universities, international schools. The property will be delivered after almost 1.5 years starting from today's date. And we have an installment payment plan if you don't want to get the nationality. And if you want to get the nationality, you need to pay in full cash with the 400,000 US dollar. Plus, we have a very stylish sample apartment in this property. The exact location is in Istanbul, European part, Küçükçekmece, beside Metro Bus station, Metro Bus line that connects the beginning of Istanbul to the end of Istanbul. And guess what? We have something good here, that there will be a new metro that will be just right beside the project, connecting this property with other district in Istanbul. And the property is off plan. If you buy it, your income, your investment will be increased in the future. This is for people who are searching to get high capital appreciation properties for their money value to be just like investment, to be increased in the future. So the property is providing a citizenship. If you want to buy property and get citizenship, it's eligible for that. And the property will give you a very good return on investment and capital appreciation. If you want to get more information about this project and our next opportunities, whether you're a single or a couple, a big family, you want a villa, whatever you want in Istanbul, I will be so happy to help you. This is Mustafa, a property consultant in Istanbul for the last 10 years. Thank you so much for watching.